Hello, this is Olivia from Sunpro Power. Today I'm here to introduce our automatic newest production line. There are more than 20 steps. Okay, let's start. First is cell cutting machine. This is cell cutting machine. It cuts cells in half with laser accurately and then use water to let it cool down. This is our welding machine. After cell cutting, the cells will be put in this machine. And this is solder. Welding machine welds the solder on the cells to make cells in strings. After welding, we will check if there is anywhere broken or not welded. And in the meantime, we will have the first EL test to check if there is any defects in a deeper level. If it's no problem, the cell strings will be light on glass and the EVA. After that comes busbar welding. This is stage welding machine. It welds busbar and the end of cell string solder in parallel. Now we can see this is busbar. And next one is fixation. Put the tape between the cell strings to prevent displacement when laminating. And next one, we put small pieces of EVA on and to prevent short circuit because it can generate electricity now. We cut the EVA and the backsheet to the required size and lay them on the cells. We put high temperature cloth on the busbar to prevent the busbar sticking on the backsheet when laminating. And then we will have an EL test to check if there is anywhere broken or not welded. This is our two-layer lamination machine. It is used to heat and vacuum glass, EVA, cells, and the backsheet together. It can save space and raise the efficiency of production. There will be 3,000 pieces of panels one day. After lamination, we cool the panels with the fans. After that, it's frame cutting to cut the extra material after laminating. And next is our visual inspection to check if there is anywhere dirty, broken, or worn. This is framing, we put glue onto the aluminum frame and then install it around the panel. And then we need to assemble junction box. We put the junction box on the back sheet, then connect bus bar and the junction box in that machine, and then we will put specially made glue into the junction box to ensure water and dust proofness. This is our solidification room. We place the panels in a certain temperature and the humidity environment for 4 hours to allow the glue to solidify. The temperature is about 25 degrees centigrade and the humidity is 70%. Here we sand the 4 corners to avoid scratches. Look, the corners are not sharp anymore. The workers will not get hurt when installing. Next is tool clamping. This is our tools. We put tools on both sides for letter EL test and power test. Then we clean the surface of panels. This is IV test. Connect the panels and simulate the sunlight environment to test whether the power generation of the panels meets the standard. Here are 6 insulation test and pressure test. We will ensure that every panel is in standard. This is our automatic packing machine with high efficiency. Time. If you are interested, welcome to contact us, Sun Pro Power. Bye.